Hey, what is up, you guys? So we are back with another video, but this is a crazy video because I seen a TikTok. I didn't know that Apple might be replacing their USB Type-C chargers with the MacBook charger. And if you've never owned a MacBook charger, it has this kind of charger, right? This right here. And in my experiences, it's been a really good charger. It snaps onto the MacBook and it charges extremely fast. I would say it'll charge my MacBook from 0 to 100 in like 35 minutes. And the battery on that boy would last me like a whole week. But if that's true, because this is a rumor, this isn't confirmed. But if that's true, if they are going to do this, this is going to be a crazy innovation. For sure, faster charging. The battery will have a better longevity. So normally an iPhone will typically last you like a full day, right? Like 9 to 5, 10 hours. But let's say they change to this charger, it's going to last you at least 12 hours, 12 to 14 hours. You might even go 2 days without charging your phone, but I doubt it because a lot of people like to have their phone at 100%. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give it to Apple if they do replace their USB Type-C with this snap-on charger, because that's what us people want. The consumers, they want innovation, and they're finally gonna deliver if they do end up dropping this with the new iPhone 18. But as of now, it doesn't seem that way. But I just wanted you guys to get a quick glance at what we might be getting this year in the new 2026 lineup. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think it's a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Or are you kind of like iffy on it? But let me know in the comments below. You guys are the best. You guys take care.